Welcome to our deep dive into the core of your computer, the CPU versus the GPU. Understanding the differences between these two components is crucial for anyone interested in technology. Every time you use your computer, from browsing the web to running demanding software, both the central processing unit and the graphics processing unit are working hard. But what exactly are their roles? If you find this information helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Your support helps the Abdul Hadi AI World channel grow. At the most fundamental level, both the CPU and GPU are processors, electronic circuits designed to execute instructions. They are the brains and visual powerhouses of modern computing. Their combined performance is what dictates your overall user experience. A powerful combination of both CPU and GPU leads to faster load times, smoother multitasking, and better handling of complex applications. Let's start with the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. It is essential for all general operation. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer because it handles the core logic and arithmetic operations required to run the operating system and applications. Its job involves handling general tasks, managing input/output operations, and controlling how the entire system works. The CPU is particularly excellent at complex sequential tasks, where one instruction must be fully completed before the next one can begin efficiently. Next, let's explore the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU. It has a very different design optimized for a specialized workload. The GPU is specifically designed to handle graphics and perform many simple calculations simultaneously or in parallel. This architecture is key to its speed. Because of its parallel processing power, the GPU excels at tasks like rendering 3D graphics in modern video games, handling complex video editing, and running graphics-intensive applications smoothly. Beyond graphics, the GPU has become critical in the fields of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Its ability to perform many calculations at once makes it perfect for training neural networks. So how do these two powerful components collaborate within your system? They work together as a team. The CPU handles the main program instructions and offloads complex parallel tasks like rendering and calculation to the highly optimized GPU. Whether you are editing video or running data simulations, both processors are used to maximize speed and efficiency, making your computer perform better overall. In conclusion, both the CPU and the GPU are vital, but serve distinct roles in computing. The CPU is the generalist, handling core system operations, while the GPU is the specialist, tackling highly parallelizable tasks quickly and efficiently. As technology advances, we continue to see increasing integration and collaboration between the CPU and GPU, promising even more powerful and efficient computing experiences in the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and share it with a friend. We'll see you in the next video from Abdul Hadi AI World.